that was a sketchy light. Can we turn this on, please? Perfect. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for watching, and today we're going to take a look at this wireless mouse that I bought off Amazon for $16.99 with free shipping, Prime, next day. And so this is episode 1 of Budget Tech, and this is a series I really wanted to do on this channel, and I think it'll be a lot of fun just because I'm always on a damn budget, and I want to help out other enthusiasts out there, other gamers, other people who want to spend less money on good quality products. So this is going to be an unboxing of this wireless mouse, and in a month's time I will do a full review on it and see how well it performs. But in this video we're just gonna do the unboxing, take a look at it and see how it goes. Yeah, I'm excited to bring this type of video, and let's get this unboxing started. Now Vageco is I think that's how you pronounce it, Vageco. They're on Amazon, and I didn't find a lot of information on these guys, only that they specialize in mouses. That's all they sell is mouses. There's their email, and I'll leave a link in the description so you can go check it out. But yeah, it's a nice little box. It arrived fairly quickly, obviously with Amazon Prime. It's always good. So I hope you guys enjoy this little unboxing video. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. And the first thing that pops out is a micro USB cord, a white micro USB cord, and the mouse color that I chose was a white. And this is a 2.4 gigahertz wireless mouse. Looks kind of cool. I was trying to match my keyboard. I wanted something white, just because my keyboard is white and silver, so I wanted something to match. And there you go. Here is the mouse. It's not that heavy. I'm actually gonna grab my scale and see how much it weighs. Oops, let me zero that out and place him on. So he weighs about 3.45 ounces. That's not bad. We got this like weird Biohazard logo, and it says Gaius with a star and 3 dots on the top, and then a triangle symbol here, and some, I don't know what's going on there. This is like a, but yeah, this is apparently a soundless click. And that background fan is my computer. I apologize for that. But yeah, you can barely hear the click. And I have another mouse to compare. So that's the one I use right now, and this is a I don't even know. There's another mouse off Amazon. But yeah, this is pretty quiet. And the scroll wheel, kind of smooth. Yeah, but it's all plastic. I was hoping this would be like some type of metal or something. I don't know. It looked like it in the pictures, but this is all plastic. It's very light. 2.4 gigahertz wireless optical mouse. And yeah, it has a cool breathing like LEDs. You could turn them on and off, and I don't know if I can peel this stuff off, or that's part of, yeah, this is not something I peel off. I actually ruined it right there. Here's your on and off switch and the light. Yeah, so there is the LED lights. It's RGB. Oh, so you can change pressing this button at the top, apparently. I don't know. Would you like to test our new products? We offer some free samples for our valued customers. Share your feeling or make a suggestion so that we can improve. We can make improvement. Sorry, I'm trying to read through the camera. It's not really helping. But yeah. Okay, found the manual, and it says rechargeable wireless mouse, and there's a keyboard on the front. It's hilarious. How to use, notes, questions. Now, where is the USB? I think it's right here. There we go. Look at that. That's nice. There's a little pocket. Little. Nice. And the wireless receiver here feels very cheap, very simple. So we're gonna take a look and see how it feels on the Mac, because this is what I bought it for. But yeah, it feels weird without the loud click. I feel like it's broken, but it's not, obviously. So here's the old mouse that I'm using to access my Mac, just because I do a lot of eBay stuff on it. And I broke my Magic Mouse just because it was getting really annoying. I should have not done that, but yeah, this old dog needs to retire, and here's the new one. And we could take a closer look at it. Very nice finish on the paint, and this feels very good. It's like a matte feel, very smooth, very soft. And this is a nice silver. And we got 2 buttons on the side here. Here is the other side of the mouse. No buttons. So total buttons we have is the left click, right click, scroll, this one, and these 2 on the side, arrow buttons. So right now, let's see here. Is there any on the bottom? There's no buttons on the bottom. But yeah, I'm using this, and it works just fine. Very smooth. Let's see. It's very quiet. You know, wasn't expecting that, but that's actually not bad. It's okay. So this is very smooth on the bottom, very responsive. I have no problems here at all. So as far as the LEDs go, there is no instructions on what it changes to. They don't even tell you that this button is actually to change the colors. I've only found like 2 modes, the breathing, and then it changes to a solid red, and it just stays that way. This is another mode. I'm not sure what mode that is. But if I press it the 3rd time, it's going to just stay on red. As you can see, it's just a solid red. Press it again, it's going to start breathing into different colors. There we go. So the instructions don't really tell you a lot. Just saying, hey, charge it for at least 3 hours. If you don't use the mouse for 5-10 minutes, it's going to go to sleep mode, which is nice. You don't waste the battery. So in order for you to charge it, you have to plug in the micro USB cable here, and you have to leave the mouse on, and it will charge. So that's kind of weird, but whatever. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. Any questions, you can always comment down below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos like this one. Take care, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.